Alright, we're looking at a Cect P168, the Iclone phone. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with it. No nicks, no dings, no scratches, no bashes, nothing broke. Everything's good on it, working. It's listed on eBay. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. While it's turning on, I'll tell you why I'm selling it. I was using I'm more into business and things like that, so I need a good calendar, dates, be able to track things easier and whatever. So I don't really like this phone because it's more geared towards individuals, younger people. It's not really business related like a Palm or Trio, and that's what I used to use, the Trio. So I bought this. I thought I'd like it. I don't like it only because, I mean, it's too video. It's kind of like a Mac compared to a PC. You know, it's more geared towards the younger crowd, videos, pictures, things like that. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's already booted up, shows the date, the time. It's got the same background. It comes with it standard as the iPhone does. If you click on the home button, you come to the home. It's the AV zone. You got your audio player, your video recorder, and your camera. The audio player is just like an iPhone kind of thing on there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You can see a little bit better now. You hit play. It's got okay music on it. It's got 6 speakers. I mean, they're little tiny speakers, so for a phone, it's not bad. Go back. Come back in here. The video player. It's not a bad video player for a phone. I went ahead and took a video of Ace Frehley downtown the other day. I'll go ahead and play that so you can kind of get a glimpse of what it does. So you see, it's not too bad. It's okay. It's not bad for a video phone on a camera at all. So, I mean, this was inside. It was pretty dark and smoky, and it's a little choppy, but it's not bad. Alright, now if we want to go back, there's also the video recorder to save that, and it works just like the camera. And there's the camera, of course, and you know, the camera actually is a really good camera. It works really good. So now we'll go ahead and go back to the PIM. That's your personal information manager. You have your phone book, your messages, your call history, and your organizer. The phone book is just a standard phone book. It's got quick search entries, yada yada yada, all the way down. You can also go to click on this third button down in the center right here, and that's also a phone book. Comes right to your phone book list, and you can do a search for names. We'll go back to the PIM. You have your messages, standard text messages, your multimedia messages. It's got a chat function and your voicemail. You can go right to your voicemail. Your organizer. It's got things like your calendar, to-do list, alarm clock, world clock. Your calendar. It's just a standard calendar. You can see that. That looks pretty good, huh? And then you got a to-do list. You can enter things you have to do, you know, appointments, whatnot, and you keep little notes on them. It's got an alarm clock. Your alarm clock, you can set it for up to, it looks, you know, like 5 different alarm times. I'm not sure if you can add any more or not. You probably can. I just haven't because I haven't really messed with it. So, then your world clock, of course, has got all your world times on here. Now you go to your entertainment center. There's fun and games services, multimedia, and extras. Your fun and games comes with some games. There's actually only one game that comes on this. I'll show it to you. It's a puzzle that you slide around. It's hard to do this one-handed. Sorry, guys. But you can see, you kind of slide stuff around. And of course, it's all touchscreen, so that's pretty cool. But the services, that's where your internet is. Click on the WAP. Now the way I set all this up is I have like T-Mobile. You call up T-Mobile and tell them what the phone is, and they'll send you a text message with all the setup information in it that automatically uploads to your phone. It took me about all of 5 minutes to get it done, and then everything was working. Home pages, bookmarks, recent pages, enter address, your settings, things like that. Then your data account, I'm not sure what that's for. Multimedia. You got an image viewer, photo editor, sound recorder, and melody composer. You can actually create like your own ringtones and things like that for MIDI files. The extras, that's got your calculator. You can switch SIM cards. Now this uses, you can put 2 SIM cards in here. The only thing is you can't have both on at the same time. You have to switch one on, switch one off. Right now I'm using SIM card number 2, and it actually shows it up in the top left corner there. You can see the bars. I don't know if you can see that. It comes into focus or not, but the bars, it shows number 2 on there. That means you're using number 2 SIM card. Unit converter, currency converter, health stuff, ebook reader, and of course Bluetooth. You can use Bluetooth on this for headsets or whatever. Your system configuration, your settings, user profiles. I have different user profiles on here: general, meeting, outdoor. You know, and they set up it changes the light and the sound, makes it louder, darker, whatever. Your Bluetooth, again, your settings for your Bluetooth. If you want to use your headset, it does come with a headset too. I forgot to mention that. So you can use it for like an iPod. Now it does not use iPod music. You have to use like Windows Media Player or something and rip your CDs and use it from there. Different shortcuts. You can change your shortcut buttons. You know, that's all pretty standard, typical stuff. File manager, your memory card. Now that's a gig memory card that's in here. So, and I'm using right now about what 971. I'm sorry, yeah, almost a gig, and I'm using only about 30. And I got some pictures and music and stuff on here, so it's pretty big. And then of course your mail. Email, you can send and receive your inbox, your outbox, and your email profile. I do not have an email account set up on this because I use Hotmail and MSN, and of course you can't use, this has a hard time with that. So, but if you have something like Yahoo or SBC or AT&T or something like that, they should be able to give you all the information that you need to get it to work. Some other shortcuts on here. You get your inbox right there. You get your phone book list. You got your telephone numbers. You can actually, when you're in here, all you do is tap the screen and you come up to your phone and you can dial any, you know, number or whatever. It's easier just to hit the clear button. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, just email me and ask me what you want to know, and I'll try to give you all the information that I can. It's really easy to set up, works really good. Like I said, the only reason I want to get rid of it is because I want to go back to using a Trio, because it's more business related and easier to use for me. Alright, well that's it. Any questions? Give me an email. Thanks.